Never miss a beat, subscribe to your favorite YouTube channels. YouTube is amazing. Millions of videos, funny cats, interesting people, how to learn anything. But it can be hard to keep track of everything. That's where subscribing comes in. When you subscribe to a channel, you're basically saying, hey, I like your stuff. YouTube will then give you a heads up whenever that channel uploads something new. No more endlessly searching for that one funny cat video you saw last week. Subscribing is like creating your own personalized TV guide. Except way better because it's full of stuff you actually want to watch. So, are you ready to become a YouTube master? Let's dive into the wonderful world of subscriptions. Subscribing Made Easy, a step-by-step guide. Subscribing to a YouTube channel is super easy. First, find a video from a channel you enjoy. Look below the video player. See that red subscribe button? Click it. That's it. You're now subscribed. A little bell icon next to the button means you can get notifications. Click the bell to choose your notification settings. Want to be notified every time they upload? Go for it. Don't want to be bombarded with notifications? No problem. You can choose to only be notified about highlights or even turn them off completely. Remember, you're in control. Taming the subscription beast tips for managing your subscriptions. Subscribe to a bunch of channels and feeling a little overwhelmed? No worries, YouTube has you covered. Go to your subscriptions page. Here, you can see all the channels you've subscribed to. You can organize your subscriptions into collections. Love cooking channels? Group them together. Crazy about gaming? Make a collection for that too. This makes it super easy to find what you're looking for. Having trouble remembering why you subscribed to a channel? Hover over the channel name. A little pop-up will show you a few of their recent videos. This can help you decide if you want to stay subscribed or not. The power of the subscribe button. Stay updated and organized. By now you're probably a subscribing master. You're getting notifications, organizing your channels, and watching all the best content. But the benefits don't stop there. Subscribing helps you support creators you love. The more subscribers a channel has, the more likely they are to keep making awesome content. It's a win-win situation. So go forth, subscribe to your heart's content, and enjoy the wonderful world of YouTube. Happy watching.